Day.
On behalf of the GSIS, I would like to thank PAS, and at the same time, would like to greet the Department of Education teachers on the National Teachers Day. It is our extreme joy to be able to assist in whatever way to make your celebration worthwhile. And we are always here to listen and be able to address the needs of our teachers.
Thank you. And may I add to what I said? Thank you, GSIS, for all the support that you provide to our teachers and non-teaching personnel in DepEd, even during their stint with DepEd and after DepEd. There is always life after DepEd because of GSIS's support to our teachers in terms of their provisions of medicine and all the needs after their service to the government.
Okay, maraming salamat po. So on behalf of the Board of Trustees of the GSIS, especially ang ating pong trustee galing sa PAS, si Trustee Rita Riddle, kami malugod na bumabati sa ating mga guro. Happy National Teachers Day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Mabuhay GSIS.
Mabuhay po Department of Education.
Para sa mga guro.